In today's video, I am going to teach you how to enable/disable pop-up notifications in Google Chrome. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the upper right corner of the browser window. You will see the menu icon with 3 vertical dots. Click that icon to open the main Chrome menu. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to the Chrome Settings page, where you can manage different parts of the browser, including privacy, security, and website permissions. If you are not familiar with this area, do not worry. We are only going to focus on the notification controls. On the left side of the settings page, click Privacy and Security. This section contains options related to how Chrome handles your data and how websites are allowed to interact with your browser. After opening that section, choose Site Settings. This is where Chrome lets you control permissions for websites, such as access to your camera, microphone, location, and notifications. Once you are in Site Settings, scroll down until you reach the Permissions section. In that area, click Notifications. This is the setting that controls whether websites can ask to send you pop-up notifications in Chrome. When you open the Notifications page, you will be able to manage how Chrome handles these requests. If you want to enable pop-up notifications, this is the place where you allow sites to ask permission before sending them. If you want to disable them, you can turn off that behavior so websites can no longer prompt you with notification requests. This can be helpful if you find those pop-ups distracting or if you prefer a cleaner browsing experience. That covers everything you need to know.